can't fucking play her anymore. She can be good. I'm not saying she's just shit. She can be good, but I just can't play.
I'll prove you wrong.
Oh, sure, we have Alarak with ruthless momentum.
10 seconds. Bow before Kel'thuzad.
This is the price I must pay. So be it.
I've missed Diablo. Also not played Diablo as well.
Time to rape some people.
That took long enough.
Not with Diablo though. Oriel.
Lol. Oh, I shot someone. Oh, hello, Tyrael. Didn't see you. Poking me in the butt. But how many builds do you have for Diablo? Do you only have one, or do you have...
No, 3 actually. I have a flame build, which is fun. I have my standard peel build, and I have the basic attack build.
You think
So, which one are you going for?
To wield the Dragon Knight's power?
Peel.
Prove it. Take control of the shrines.
It's the map for it.
Ah, you! Like a little...
He's playing the build he would said earlier.
Well, except I don't using that talent. That's the only difference. I go for the heal at level 1 with Alarak because I'd rather heal myself.
Still enough damage. Yes. Thank you, Alarak.
Inherit the Dragon Knight's power. And lay waste to its facilities.
Yes.
Uh-oh. 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 Ah! Why did I do that?
Oh.
Rise again.
I keep forgetting I don't have the globe quest. I hate Vala so much.
I just killed her.
Do you want me to go for Frost Blast so you can use Lightning Breath?
Choose a talent.
If you go for Frost Blast, you can. Nah, then no. Don't. Go for.
Listen and obey.
This Tyrael is very aggressive.
Yeah. It's good. Because if we get him in walls, we'll die.
Oh, come on.
And don't worry about picking up globes. You know how globe hungry I am.
You're a globe addict.
Yeah.
No! Not again!
I'm always right.
I hate Alarak.
Listen and obey.
And she's dead.
The ancient evil.
Oh, please someone kill that white bitch. And no, I don't mean to be racist, but I hate Alarak so much.
Idiot. He's not that good.
But yet he has so many stacks of sadism. Oh, come on.
Globs. And 70. More globe. Look, with Diablo you don't even need a healer in quick match.
And here's Alarak again.
Yeah, let him go. Now you're mine! I need your follow-up though, otherwise I'm useless.
That sounds
Incinerate all who oppose this realm's rebirth.
Lul. Nom 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 nom. Ah, you bitch!
Rape you. But they nerfed the bonus damage, you can feel it.
bow before Kel'thuzad.
Power is yours no longer.
God damn it.
You know the wall stand's going to come out there. Always!
Always, every single time. No, why is everyone on me?
Okay, which ult?
I want-
Apocalypse or Lightning Breath?
I think Apocalypse will be better than Lightning Breath here. At the same time, I can spam my ult 24/7.
I am reborn. As the shadow wills.
Three deaths and I'm fucking low hero damage, and this is embarrassing.
0 deaths, bitch.
Yeah, you're a fucking Diablo.
Another chance to
Yeah.
prove yourself worthy. Do not squander it.
Serve the Dark Lady.
Not again! Why is that even a thing? Oh my god.
My husband
This
is dead.
game, man.
Remind this kingdom of his strength.
Trust me guys, I do way better than this, but this is just fucking retarded. Also, I hate Valla, I hate Alarak, and I hate this Junkrat.
Well,
I am reborn. By your word. This world shall be cleansed of the living.
kill Alan. That's the point. Get this.
Help me!
Fuck.
What the fuck is this? Every time! This god fucking Alarak is everywhere! Kill him! Kill the fucker! Thank you! Now I'm pissed, which means only one
Granted me
fucking thing.
eternal life.
I got my quest, I'm good.
Fuck you.
That sounds logical.
See? Now who's thinking it's funny? No, not again! Fucking cow! Why am I always getting prioritized?
Because you're fucking Kel'thuzad. What did you expect?
I hate this game. I have died 6 fucking times.
Serve the Dark Lady.
Remove this hero from the board. I am reborn. Indeed.
We're not allowed to fight in lane with Alarak around. Bad.
Listen and obey.
Ugly freak.
Killing
Thanks,
spree.
Sylvan. Boom.
Not bad at all.
That's
No, fucking kill him. Oh my god, that chain.
killing spree.
Get away from me! Why is it always me?
Doesn't like you.
I said no one fucking
Get
likes.
get the dragon.
I am not stepping on that jungle spawning.
I must retreat.
Reduce everything to ash.
Done.
Fuck off!
You should say thank you.
Yeah, thank you, but I have 100 souls. I would have just been back.
I'm greedy. I like literally greediness.
I have seen enough.
A fateful choice.
Piss off.
Lol.
You too!
Come back here, I'm not done with you. Okay, that leap was high and far.
So be it.
See, the damage got nerfed quite a bit. But it reduces armor.
That knockback is so annoying.
Let's go. 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 Let's go. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
No,
Greedy,
no, no,
That's greedy.
no, 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 no!
I told you, do not be greedy!
Some use out of that fire.
I hate this game.
Power
This
gathers within the
map is
shrines.
so fucking
Seize them
gay.
and become the new Dragon Knight.
I told you don't be greedy. You were
A
greedy.
fateful choice.
I wanna be dominating with Kel'thuzad. Is that so much to ask for?
Yep. There. At least you hit with the combo. I don't.
I escaped.
There must always be a Dragon Knight.
Super proud of myself.
I hate their fucking Junkrat.
Let's go kill the fucker. This one. I wanna kill some.
That sounds logical.
LOL.
No.
A fateful choice.
Leave me alone, you ugly little freak.
Nope.
Yeah, you're dead.
Come on. This fucking Alarak piece of crap. Come on, kill Junk.
Indeed.
LOL, I killed her with my Shane.
Decent. Unsophisticated, but
Boom.
decent.
Killing spree. Yet another leap.
I tried to save this realm. Now it burns.
No, you're not, bitch.
Haha, minion killed you. Get wrecked. Hey, shit.
Oh yeah.
I hate this game so much.
I didn't like it either.
Ah, that was fun.
MVP.
I was getting fucking farmed like an idiot.
Yeah, we saw.
Fuck off, Alric, you piece of shit.
Hey, we won. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, 7 deaths, 46,000 hero damage, less than Arfes and Sylvanas. And I have I had an Alarak that just kept constantly come here, killed me,
Yeah,
or Junkrat coming killing me, or the
Or me.
fucking tanks.
Or me lifting everyone out of your death.
Alright, I'm gonna go off now, so I'll be back in about 3 hours.
Yeah, Ghost will be back in 2. I will get something to eat now and then I will play further.
Alright. Thank you for much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.